Now, Doppler 10 weather with Chief Meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, welcome back and a good Tuesday afternoon to you. Starting off the Action 10 City Cam right on top of our KZTV studios downtown, looking towards Corpus Christi Bay. Staying out of the shot there so you can soak that all in. It's absolutely gorgeous outside in the South Texas area. Overall, it was a little warm in the afternoon. We started off really nice and cool as well. Look at that. We bottomed out at 55 degrees. We actually gave the record low a run for its money, as back on this date in 1969, the record low was 51. So we just barely missed that. And then this afternoon, right about seasonal average, as we topped out at about 86 degrees. And as you saw there on the Action 10 City Cam, there just isn't a whole lot going on outside, and that's the result of high pressure into the entire region right now, as we're looking at mostly sunny skies, and we're going to look at clear skies again for tonight. Going to look at some radiational cooling to take place as this big high pressure ridge will continue to filter in mild and dry conditions for us, as the cold front that moved into the area earlier this week, or I should say early Monday morning, has now pushed off into the eastern half of the United States, where they're still looking at plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity stretching from Miami, Florida, all the way up towards the upper Midwest. And you can see the counterclockwise spin with this particular system, and lots of showers and thunderstorms, some of it severe, looking at tornado watches and warnings across the Carolinas, pushing up towards New York in the next couple of days. But this will slowly move off towards the east and away from us here and allow that high pressure to continue to build on in. There is another front up towards the Pacific Northwest right now around Seattle up towards Portland, where they're getting a couple of showers there. That'll move off towards the east as well. That front is not expected to push through the coastal bend, but it will stall into the northern half of the state. And it will play a part in our weather as we go down the line, particularly with this particular system down here. This is not an area of disturbed weather right now. This is just moisture that's sitting into the southern half of the Gulf of Mexico and the Bay of Campeche. But we are expected to see an area of disturbed weather form in the next couple of days, and it is expected to move up towards the southeast, or I should say up towards the northwest in the next couple of days. So we're going to watch that pretty closely. And then here's what's going on right now. There's a high pressure ridge up towards the north, the system off towards the east leaving the area, and there comes that front as we head towards the Friday time frame, with high pressure sitting right on top of us. And then we really start to watch the Gulf, because if that area of disturbed weather does form into anything tropical, that particular front into the Pacific Northwest is going to act like a fence and not allow this storm system to make its way into South Texas. And it'll also take away our rain chances as well, because the center of circulation is going to rob us of some of that moisture. So again, this is going to be pretty interesting as we head towards the weekend and on into early next week, and we're going to be watching it pretty closely. But for the next couple of days, here's what we can expect: is cool and dry mornings, sunny and warm afternoons, with the humidity returning by Saturday and Sunday. No matter what, our winds are going to switch around out of the southeast and increase the cloud coverage a little bit, and we'll look for the possibility of a couple of isolated showers as we head towards Monday and on into Tuesday. But this evening, look at that, simply gorgeous out there. 60 at 7 o'clock early in the morning, 66 at 9 o'clock. May require a light jacket for the kiddos, nothing too extravagant there. But as we head towards the afternoon, lower 80s, look at light winds are going to be with us as well. So overall, it's going to be very nice out there. Future tracker, as we look at the cloud, rain, and temperatures, put them all together so we can see them all at once. But notice not a whole lot of cloud coverage, almost everyone dropping into the middle to upper 50s, the exception of the coastline dropping into the middle 60s across the area. And overall, the winds will lighten up early in the morning, and as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at calm winds all around. Talk about a great beach weather day. Tonight, though, 54 degrees, cool and clear out there. As we look at tomorrow afternoon, 87 degrees, warm, still sunny and dry. Give it a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10 there. And Doppler 10 long-range forecast takes us to 88 on Thursday morning after starting off into the upper 50s. And then we head into the upper 80s as we head towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A couple of spots of some humidity return that'll muggy things up, and we'll look for a couple of isolated showers early next week.